Strengthening Faith 5. In a narration found in Sahih Bukhari, number 574, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, advised that whoever establishes the two cul obligatory prayers will enter paradise. The two cul obligatory prayers refer to the dawn and late afternoon obligatory prayers, Fajr and Asr, as during these two times the weather is cooler than at other times, meaning before sunrise and before sunset. Establishing the obligatory prayers includes fulfilling all their conditions and etiquettes correctly, according to the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, such as offering them on time. In fact, offering them as soon as they occur is one of the most beloved deeds to Allah, the Exalted. This has been advised in a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 252. Even though there are 5 obligatory prayers which must be established yet, only 2 have been mentioned in the main narration under discussion. This is because these 2 prayers are arguably the 2 hardest to establish. The obligatory dawn prayer occurs at a time when most people are asleep. Therefore, it requires much energy and motivation in order to leave one's comfortable bed in order to offer it correctly. The obligatory late afternoon prayer mostly occurs at a time where most people have completed their working day and have returned home tired. So to leave one's relaxation after a tiring and even stressful day of work in order to correctly offer their obligatory prayer is difficult. Therefore, if one correctly establishes these 2 prayers, they will, through the mercy of Allah, the Exalted, find it easier to establish the other obligatory prayers, which usually occur at more convenient times. Muslims should therefore strive to establish all their obligatory prayers, as it is the very essence of Islam, and it in fact separates belief from disbelief. This has been confirmed in a narration found in Jami' at-Tirmidhi, number 2618. Finally, one must note that the main narration under discussion does not mean one can achieve success by only offering the 5 obligatory prayers while neglecting their other obligatory duties and responsibilities to Allah, the Exalted, and people. In reality, the one who establishes their obligatory prayers will strive to fulfill all their other obligatory duties and responsibilities, as this is one of the outcomes of establishing the obligatory prayers. Chapter 29 Al-Ankabut, verse 45.
Indeed, prayer prohibits immorality and wrongdoing.
In addition, the narration guarantees paradise to the one who establishes their obligatory prayers, but does not guarantee that they will not enter hell first as a result of their sins. Therefore, as always, one must understand the verses of the Holy Quran and the narrations in their correct context. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.